Speaking parrot. At first, the parrot only makes simple bird sounds. Then it learns to imitate human speech. The world suddenly changed.
Hello, hello.
Each time it speaks, the owner praises it clever. People gather around, laughing and clapping. The parrot looks proud and excited. It begins repeating more and more words, focusing on memorizing phrases. Stop looking out the window and people's facial expressions. It repeats words perfectly, without understanding their meaning. One day, the owner leaves the house in a hurry. The house becomes quiet. The parrot keeps talking. No one answers. It feels lonely for the first time. It wants to say, "I am afraid," but the only words it knows are so smart. Voice echoes in the empty room, sounding hollow. This story invites us into the thought that without genuine understanding, language is only a superficial tool.